It's your boy FX again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to do the unboxing of the brand new Galaxy A15. This is one of the precious phones that Samsung has released. It is the new and interesting mid-range Samsung phone. This is the Galaxy A15. It's one of the precious phones I've seen so far on the market. So let us go on and do the unboxing of this nice phone. So let's go on and unbox it. So now let us do a quick setup. So let's go on and reboot this brand new Galaxy S F15. It is a power white and brand new. It comes with just a simple USB type C. It is a shiny glossy back. It is white in color. I know I like this color. It is for my sister. I just bought it for my sister, but you know I like Samsung, so I chose this simple Galaxy S15 for her personal use, for example reading notes, something like that. So there we are. We are going to go on and start up this brand new Galaxy A15 very fast, and then we'll come back. And there we are, we now done. So and this is the brand new Galaxy A15. The screen is just nice, and the bezels are somehow larger, but based on this price, this is very nice. What I have seen, it takes really nice and great picture. It comes with a 50 megapixel, but what you see here is the default 12 megapixel, but this comes with a 50 megapixel sensor that will take very nice, snappy and beautiful photos. So you can have a go and test it. It comes with a 50 megapixel and a 12 megapixel, but the default setting is the 12 megapixel sensor. So there we are. That's how nice it is. Let's go and check the software of this particular phone. It comes with a really nice and latest One UI 6.0. It's not the latest, but it is one of the latest software. But this is Android 14 based on One UI 6.0. It's a really nice, and I just enjoy using this phone. You know, I based on this price, this is a really nice and wonderful phone. So that's it, guys. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this.